My name is Tina McDonald. Probably about 2018 or 19, I started exploring. I really wanted to find some place to go where I could still have my beliefs in God and love and spirituality. And so I had started exploring, and then of course the pandemic hit. Yay! So I ended up, of course, trapped in my house for a while, and after close to a year of that, I realized that I wasn't helping myself with the isolation. And in my exploring before that, I had already popped in here at one point and felt so much love here. And so when I knew that I needed to get connected back to community, of course, this was the first place, Unity, that popped in my mind. And I said, yep, that is where I need to be. I felt warm when I popped in just the one time, the very first time. It was just the warmth and the love and the genuine people, and I said that's where I have to go. That's what I felt the draw to do.
Fantastic. And are you involved here at Unity?
Unity here was still like under pandemic lockdown, right? And so there was this wonderful Zoom book study that was happening at the time called The Quest. I'm like, sure, I'll dive right in, and it was the best thing I could have done, meeting people that way, than to jump right in. And so I was diving into helping out with hospitality for a while. And then I was helping with the greeters for a while. Since then, though, I became a member of the board. And so I'm a treasurer of the board as of right now. And just working with some other groups and helping support everybody here. So my favorite part about Unity is that I can come here and be myself. I can be myself. I don't have to put on a mask. And when Unity says we love all, they love all. We love all. And that's what matters. You don't have to change. You don't have to conform. You don't have to pretend. You can be yourself. And there's open arms and welcomeness and support and community. And it's just wonderful. I couldn't imagine my life without Unity at this point.